Hey guys, welcome to Non-Double Creations. This is going to be a quick video. I just want to say thank you for everybody that has subscribed to the channel. Today we hit 100 subscribers, so first milestone, very cool. Thank you, and I do mean we, as in all of us. We've done it, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you've subscribed, if you guys haven't subscribed, I guess the next milestone's 1,000. See if we can hit it. That'd be pretty cool to do too. Yeah. So, yeah, subscribe if you haven't, guys. And if you like seeing cool woodworking videos, you know, that's kind of what I do. So, thanks again, guys. I'll have a video in a few days. I will see you guys then. Alright. Talk to you later. Bye.